Hello guys, I welcome you all in the new the sequence of the Unreal Engine tutorial, Unreal Engine 5. Previously we were in this tutorial, so we just imported and texture our mesh, our game asset. So as you can see, here is our textures and our materials is there, as you can see here. So right now is to this tutorial is for post-processing. So how to do the post-processing? Remember, we just do the import the texture with the material and the set the texture and material to the game asset, but we did not do the post-processing. So Unreal Engine post-processing are a little bit different than the Unity. So okay, so you have to do let's say this is the hierarchy panel. You go to this one, this quick add to the project, this one. Go to the volume section and then go to the post-process volume. Okay, this is the post-process volume. As soon as you add, you can see a box appeared here. So you always make it 0 0 0. This is my actually style to make it 0 0 0. Make it 0 0 0. Okay, here, as soon as it is in the position, and then let's say you can see here all the post-process options like bloom, exposure, camera, okay, image effect, all the things are here, but this will not affect immediately. Let's say if I enable the bloom option, let's say I increase the intensity, it will not affecting the scene. Why is that? Because of we have to enable one parameter before applying this post-processing option. So go to the lower part and you see for the infinite extension here. You see here is the infinite extension, this option. You just tick the thing. This is off, by the way, but you have to tick this on. Now the post-processing will take effect. Let's say we'll have the bloom. Okay, we just enable the bloom here. Okay, then the intensity, see, as I raise the intensity, the bloom intensity is growing. Okay, so like we'll give it a value of 2 maybe. Okay, yes, and then okay, then we will have a after this we'll have an image effect. Okay, just go for the vignette and we just increase this 0.6 value. Okay, and then okay, then the global shadow effect. Okay, and do this, the shadow. Okay, temperature, yeah, temperature, it's a very interesting option. As you can see, as I'm changing, the value is the temperature is rising. So like this to this. Okay, so I'm just do it 8,000 or something. Okay, and then the tint value, as you can see, I just playing with the color. As I can increase the tint, and decrease the thing. Okay, something like this will do. Okay, 0 point, maybe 0 0.1. Okay, or yeah, this is go for the 0 point, yeah, maybe 0 0.1, 0 0.1. Okay, and then the global illumination. Okay, mode is lumen. Okay, so global illumination on the value, okay, lumen screen details. Okay, just leave it like the default value right now. And red trace uh, advanced. Okay, refraction also lumen. Okay, quality of refraction. Okay, remember, enabling this will cost for the PC hardware. Ambient occlusion here, so enable this one, and you can raise the value to up to 1. Okay, and finally, shadow, highlights, temperature. Okay, let's go for the temperature. Okay, image effect, lens flare. Okay, okay, gamma and exposure. Okay, bloom, uh so far, gamma. Let's say the gamma. What is the, oh, okay, this is actually for the setting up for the camera, kind of like that. And ambient occlusion. Okay, motion blur, no need right now. Okay, okay, so maybe the bloom is 2, right? Okay, let's see how it's look. Actually, Unreal Engine comes with the default post-processing, but you can have a more advanced option by enabling this. So it's like F11 to C. Yeah, yeah. I think for now it's okay. It's the basic application of how to apply the post processing. So the post processing value here. So if I off, then the change happen here, and if I do it on, then you see the color difference. So this is the post processing. So you see. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial, and I hope you learn how to apply the post processing in Unreal Engine 5. I think you're gonna apply this one, and you're gonna play with these settings, and keep practicing. And if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask me, and please support me, support my channel. Thank you very much.